In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a Google Super Admin. Google Workspace Admin Complete Guide, 5 minutes. A Super Admin is the top-level role in Google Workspace. It can manage users, billing, security, and settings across your entire organization, so handle it with care. One quick note before we start. The very first user that's created when you sign up for Google Workspace is automatically given super admin privileges. If that's you, you already have the role. If you need to grant it to yourself or to another trusted person, here's how to do it safely. First, sign in to the Google Admin Console using an account that already has admin access. Once you're on the Admin Console home, open Directory from the left menu, then choose Users. Use the search bar to quickly find the specific user you want to elevate. Click that user to open their profile. On the user details page, look for the section labeled Admin Roles and Privileges. This is where you control what administrative access they have. Open it, locate the super admin role, and toggle it to assigned. When you confirm, Google may ask you to verify your identity for security, and if you have two-step verification enabled, you might be prompted for a code. That's normal, and it's a best practice to keep two-step verification on for any admin account. Give it a moment for the change to propagate. The new super admin can refresh the admin console or sign out and back in to see the updated capabilities. If the change doesn't appear immediately, wait a minute and try again. A few safety reminders as you do this. Grant super admin only to people who absolutely need it. Least privilege keeps your organization safer. Keep at least 2 super admins for redundancy, but avoid having too many. Document who has this role, review it regularly, and remove it when responsibilities change. Super admins can access critical settings, including billing, security policies, and third-party integrations, so treat this access like the keys to your organization. That's it. You signed into the admin console, opened directory, went to users, selected the right person, opened admin roles and privileges, and assigned super admin. Follow these steps and you'll elevate the right user quickly and securely.